Welcome to the demo video of Nutricook air fryer plus oven 12 liters. So basically this is our device, and along with the device these are all the accessories. So I'll start explaining you what accessories are there along with this device. Firstly, I'll explain you this is a drip tray. So our first accessory is rotating basket. So this is the mouth of rotating basket. Will open this way and again will shut. Then there is two pieces of rotatory fork. A rotatory shaft. One piece of rotatory shaft. Screwers rack. Can you see this? Two pieces of screwers rack. These are the screwers. You will get 10 pieces of screwers along with the device. One fetch tool. Two screws to fix your accessories. And along with that you will get 3 wire racks. 1, 2 and 3. So this all accessories we have along with our device. I'll explain you why we keep this drip tray. So there are the 3 wire racks and there are the 3 levels. So in the lower level we can fix one rack, the another one we can fix in the mid level and the topmost level. So any ingredient which you keep on these racks, the oil will get extract and will get gather in that drip tray. So all your oil will get gather in this drip tray. So your inner part will remain very clean and hygiene. So this mold curve part of your wire rack should firstly go inside. So I'll show you how to place it. This mold curve part will go inside this way. This is the way you fix your wire rack. Let's start our air fryer plus oven. So by clicking on this power button, your air fryer display will start on. So I'll explain you the 8 preset functions one by one. This one is for fries. This one is for chicken. This one is for samosa, cake, steak, fish, pizza, tikkas and barbecue. There are 2 more additional functions along with the preheat function. One is preheat and second one is dehydrate. Preheat, this is always advisable to every customer that before cooking any ingredient you have to preheat your air fry. And dehydrate option is used to dry up your fruits and fishes, which is also known as sun drying. Here you can set your time and temperature manually also. Like if it's 170 degree, I can increase the degree 195, 190. The max is 200 degrees. And also I can increase time also. And also I can decrease my time. So all these 8 preset functions have the preset time and temperature set. Like if I click on fries, it will automatically set up to 180 for 14 minutes. When I click on chicken, the automatic time temperature is 190 degree for 25 minutes. If I click on the last option, which is tikkas and barbecue, it will come up to 200 to 30 degrees. So now let's start baking a cake. So for baking cake, you have to click on the preset function of cake. So there you will see there is an automated time temperature set which is 150 degree for 30 minutes. But it is always advisable to preheat your air fryer before keeping any food ingredient inside the air fryer. So here we'll preheat our air fryer. So like it's 200 degree for 3 minutes. I'll start preheating my air fryer. So now the preheat process is ended. So you can see there is a blink notification coming over here. That means your preheat process is got over. So now we'll open our air fryer oven and we'll keep this cake formation inside the air fryer. And now we'll hit a power on button and then we'll click on the cake option, which is giving us the temperature of 150 degree in 30 minutes. Now we'll start the process by hitting on start button. And also you can see your cake getting baked by hitting on light button. There is only 1 minute left. You can see the process is coming to an end. Now after some time the cake will get ready. So now I'll explain you the first accessory which is used in air fryer plus oven. So this is known as rotating basket. This is the mouth of rotating basket. You have to open this way. Now you fill the fries inside the basket. Now close the basket by pushing it. Now as you can see the gap over here, there are the two gaps over here and there is one gap over here. So this two gap wala side will go inside the hole which is there. Now you can see on our extreme left there is a hole where this two gap will go inside the hole as I am placing it. And the other one we have to just place over here this way. The two gap wala side should go inside the hole. The other one we just have to keep on it. And now we'll close the air fryer. Now I'll select the option for fries preset function where you will get a time 180 degree for 14 minutes. Now we'll start the process. By clicking the start button, the device will start running on. Now I'll switch on the light. Now when I click on this rotating function, the rotating button, the basket will rotate inside. As you can see, the basket is rotating inside. So there is one more accessory. This is known as fetch tool. So basically this rotating basket is very hot. So to take this out, our hand will not go inside the air fryer plus oven. This helps us to take your rotating basket out like this way. As you can see, for the tikkas and barbecue process, there are the accessories over here. You can see, as this is a rotatory shaft which is used as an accessory to make tikkas and all. Now there is this screwers rack. As you can see, the screwers 10 piece and there are 2 screws. So now I'll explain you how to fix this. So basically what you have to do is, you have to take this rotatory shaft and you have to place this as you can see. There is a slight hole over here. This you have to align with this hole, and just you need to do is you have to fix your screw, this screw over here this way. It will get fixed tightly. Now same way I'll show you another one. As you can see, a slight hole over here, a dot. We'll align this hole to that dot. Here, this way. Now we'll also fix the screw over here according to that dot. You have to gently tighten the screws. As you can see, our rotatory shaft is attached with the screwers rack. You can place your tikkas, paneer and all the ingredient in this screwer. You can fix this from this side, this pointed part. Now, how to place this screwer on this screwer rack, I'll explain you. So basically, this pointed part will place in a hole like this way. So this is the way how it looks when you fix all the screwers on the screwers shaft. So we'll switch on the air fry and we'll select the option for tikkas. Now we'll fix this rotatory shaft with rotatory rack the same way how we fix the rotating basket. We'll place this rotatory shaft inside the hole. Now we'll hit the start button, light on, and as you can see, our rotatory shaft with the rotatory rack is rotating. You can use this rotatory shaft with rotatory rack for making paneer tikkas, barbecue, chicken tikkas and any other things. So to fetch this rotatory shaft, you have to also use this fetch tool. So you have to place this fetch tool this way, and you have to take this rotatory shaft out like this way. The way how we dismantle this screwers from the screwers rack. You just have to give a slight press over here, it will come off. Now you have to untwist the screws, same way the other side you have to do, and you can take off your screwers rack like this way. This is the process how we dismantle the rotatory screwer. Now this is the same rotatory shaft which we are using to fix this rotatory fork. So the dot should get aligned with this hole. Here also we'll fix this screws. Same way the other side. So now this rotatory fork is fixed with the rotatory shaft. This is used while if you want to fix whole chicken or breast piece, or you say potatoes, sweet potatoes or brinjal or anything to roast. So the way how we fix the rotating basket and the screwers rack, same way you have to fix this rotating fork. Now you can see it's been placed. Now we'll select an option, chicken. So it's 190 degree for 25 minutes. We'll start the process by hitting on start button. Same way you have to switch the light on and hit the rotating button. As you can see, your rotatory fork with rotatory shaft is rotating. This the way how your chicken will get cooked evenly when it starts rotating.